Mothercare Group plc is one of the premier retail outlets for parents and mothers-to-be. We've got about 1,000 stores in over 50 countries, so we're more than just a UK retail outlet. We've got about 600 of our stores are outside of the UK, predominantly things like Russia, Middle and Far East. Now, one of our challenges as a retailer that we found is that we've built a number of smaller in-house applications. And over time, this has started to become unmanageable for us, really. And we've spent about 30-odd% of the original development effort of each application, again, changing it, enhancing it due to business change. Our core system has over 9 million lines of code, but as our business has rapidly grown, it means that our system is rapidly becoming inflexible, which means that we can't rapidly take on new applications. Retail is a changing and very dynamic market, which means our systems need to be dynamic and flexible. So therefore we need to build solutions that can deliver that. What is important is that we have key technology partners that can implement and deliver technology for us quickly, which is a reason we chose IBM and Prolifics to be able to develop and build our solutions. We've selected the IBM suite of technologies as our preferred partner. The IT benefits that we've achieved through the WebSphere technology has allowed us to get to grips with web services and message orchestration very, very quickly, much quicker than we would have done if we'd have had to build the solution ourselves. We've built our enterprise service bus based on 3 of those core technologies. Predominantly our messaging layer is built on WebSphere MQ that interconnects our IBM i5s as our core applications onto our enterprise service bus, which is built on the WebSphere Message Broker technology. In addition to that, we've deployed the WebSphere Partner Gateway to allow some of our trading partners to exchange information and deal with the external communications and message exchanges. One of our views is that we're only using the ESB as a springboard to migrate ourselves towards a service-orientated architecture. Therefore, it's really important not only to have an assured message delivery layer through WebSphere MQ, but also to have a product that could enrich and add value and move and manage our data. So we selected the WebSphere Broker product to work in conjunction with WebSphere MQ to achieve that. The WebSphere Message Broker has been integrated into our core infrastructure. The whole idea is that eventually all of our core messaging and all our core data transports will move in and out of the broker on its way to and from our core applications. At the moment, we're only processing a few thousand messages a day. Our entire infrastructure, however, has been scaled to process approximately 4,000 messages a second. Our journey through WebSphere MQ has involved us moving really from a batch style of integration more towards real-time messaging. Our whole idea was to use WebSphere MQ as an assured real-time delivery system, moving messages on and off our core i5s onto the brokers. Obviously, being a retailer, one of the key drivers for us is to ensure that through all our systems we obtain PCI DSS compliance. Therefore, when we implemented the system, security was quite an important factor for us. WebSphere MQ allowed us to ensure the data could not only be encrypted, but could be authenticated as well. In terms of WebSphere MQ and its relationship to broker, we really treat them as one product. We don't really separate out WebSphere MQ from WebSphere Message Broker and our other WebSphere products anymore. We treat them all as our SOA suite of tools. WebSphere Technologies has allowed us to work smarter with not only the use of our WebSphere and Tivoli and Lotus technologies, but also the use of our offshore partners as well. We chose both Prolifics and IBM, but most importantly Prolifics, because in the UK they're one of the premier partners for IBM. They had a proven track record in developing WebSphere technology for very similar organisations and similar projects to ourselves. So they're really our advisors as well as our developers. We're very satisfied with the results that it's managed to show us so far. IBM really understand where we are, where we're coming from, and how we need to succeed.